How to fix fail to reach client settings. Check your internet connection on Roblox. If you are facing the same error on Roblox, there might be a few reasons why. So the first thing you're going to have to do is make sure that your Windows is up to date. You can do that by right-clicking on the Start menu and heading over to Settings. Once you open up your settings, go to Windows Update, and then you're going to have to check for updates if there are any updates available. If yes, just update the app to its latest version. The next step you're going to have to do is go ahead and right click on the Start menu and open your Run dialog box. Now you're going to search for ncpa.cpl and then hit Enter. It will open up your network settings. Now go to Wi-Fi networks, right click on it, go to its properties, and right here under connections, make sure that the IPv6 is turned off and turn on the IPv4. Now click on apply and then OK. And once you do that, you're going to have to click on properties again. And you'll find the obtain DNS servers address automatically. Now what you're going to do is use the following DNS server addresses. So here, what you're going to do first is add the DNS server for 8.8.8.8. And right below there on the alternate, you're going to add 8.8.4.4. Now click on OK and you should be good to go. So once you have done that, you should be able to fix the problem. So go ahead and close everything out. The final step you have to do is to run the clean manager. So go ahead and right click on the start menu, open a run, and then simply search for clean mgr. Hit enter, select your C drive, and then click on OK. Now it will show you all of the temporary files. Go ahead and select all of the temporary files except thumbnails. And then from here, you can delete everything. So I'm just going to select all of these. And now click on Clean Up System Files. And then click on OK. Once you do that, your disk cleanup will begin. And you should be able to clear out your disk. So once that is done, all you need to do now is just give your PC a restart. Open up your Roblox and see if that fixes the issue. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll catch you on the next one.